Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, just a quick note. The link to purchase the Be Quiet Pure Base 600 ATX Midi Tower PC case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. The Pure Base 600 is a well-rounded PC case that balances quiet operation with versatile customization options, making it an excellent choice for both casual builders and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this case is its versatility. It offers repositionable HDD slots and a removable optical drive cage, allowing users to tailor the interior layout to fit their specific hardware needs. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who want to maximize space or install larger components. Cooling is another area where the Pure Base 600 shines. It comes equipped with two pre-installed Pure Wings 2 fans, which are known for their whisper-quiet operation while maintaining efficient airflow. Additionally, the case is water cooling ready, supporting radiators up to 360 millimeters on the front, top, and rear. The adjustable top cover vent further enhances cooling potential by providing additional airflow options and a dedicated mounting spot for a radiator. Beyond performance and customization, the build quality and design are sleek and understated, with a clean black finish that fits well in any setup. The case is backed by a solid 3-year manufacturer's warranty, giving users peace of mind about their investment. On the downside, while the case is versatile, some users might find the interior space a bit tight for very large custom water cooling loops or extreme hardware configurations. Also, cable management options, while decent, may not be as extensive as some higher-end models. Overall, the Be Quiet Pure Base 600 offers a compelling mix of quiet operation, cooling flexibility, and customization at a competitive price point. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish mid-tower case that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. Remember, the link to grab this case at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so don't miss out.